Hello, today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Google Sheets. First thing you want to do is pull up your Sheets. I like using the URL sheets.google.com. Since I am already logged into my account, it'll bring me straight to my Google Sheets page, set up kind of like Google Docs. So if you've watched my earlier video, it'll be kind of like a run through. You'll have your search bar. You'll have different types of spreadsheets. You can do your template gallery, what I've opened today, what's kind of how do I want to view it, by anyone, by me, not by me, last opened, our grid view, our sort options, our open file picker. I'm gonna hit a new doc. We'll hit blank, and like Google Docs, you're gonna want to name it first just to make it easier so you can remember, so nothing ever gets disorganized. And I'm gonna name it test doc. Also, like Google Docs, it saves automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing any information. If we go across the top, like how I did in my video with Google Docs, you'll hit File, and it'll have all the same stuff like new, open, import. They have a copy, downloading, and different options. Emails attachment, version history, you can rename it, move it, publish to the web, document details, spreadsheet settings, and print. If we want to edit, it's going to look somewhat the same: undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, find and replace, but then we're going to have different type of delete options, the values, the rows, the columns. You can delete shells and move them up or shift them to the left. You can clear notes, remove checkboxes. In our view, you have a freeze option, so you can do no rows, one row to the current row, no columns, one column, two, or up to the current column. You have grid lines, protected ranges, a formula bar. You can show your formulas. You can have hidden sheets. You can zoom or do a full screen. Since it's a sheet, you can add a row above or below, a column to the left or right, move cells down or shift them to the right. With numbers, you can create charts, you can insert images, drawings, or forms. There's many functions you can add it to. You can insert a link, a checkbox, a comma, a note, or a new sheet. There's different types of themes, different types of numbers based on what type of math you're doing or what type of sheet you want to work with. For example, percent or scientific, accounting, financial, currency, date, time, duration. You're going to have your bold, italic, underline, strike through, different font sizes, how you want it to be aligned. You can merge cells. There's text wrapping. If you had an image or a chart in there, a text rotation, conditional formatting, alternating colors, or you can clear formatting. Different data, you can sort the sheet, you can create a filter, there's a slicer, date validation, you can rotate your table, you can have named ranges, you can protect sheets and ranges, you can split text into columns, remove anything that's duplicated, remove the white space if you were trying to make it look real professional for presentation. There's a group, different tools, you can create a form, editor, spelling checks, add-ons, so you can add different editing tools like how you did in Google Docs. If we're going to go to the next row, you're going to have undo and redo, your print, your paste, your how far you want to zoom, our format as a currency, our format as percent, decrease decimal places, increase decimal places, more formats, our font size, bold, italic, strike through, text color, fill color, our borders, our merge cells. We can do a horizontal line, a center or a right. We can vertical align, text wrapping, text rotation, insert a link, insert comments. You can insert a chart, filter views, functions. Like with Google Docs, you can share with other people. You can get a shareable link so they can see what you're doing. You can, let's say we wanted to do months, so we can make this months and hit enter and do 1, hit 2. Every time you hit it, just enter and it'll automatically. So we're going to go to 12, 11, 12. Next, you could do whatever you felt like. So if you were doing an experiment with the number of months in a year and the times it snowed. So we're going to do snow, and you could put it in days or inches, whatnot. So we're going to go with January. It snowed 4 times, once in February, 0, 0, 0, all the way through. We're going to go once, 4, and 5. So now we have a chart. We can highlight everything if we wanted. And we can do many options with our chart. We can make this into a actual table if we wanted. If we go into the left hand corner, we can add a sheet. We can do all sheets, and you can see at the bottom where all your sheets are. You can really do anything you want with this, which is so great, and it makes, instead of making hand tables or trying to find fancy web pages to use, it makes it so easy to convert everything. So I hope this was helpful.